Hey YouTube, so this is day 2. I didn't do no intro, I didn't do nothing for the first day. All I did was show like the restaurant a little bit. But y'all,
she's still trying to get used to recording and shit. I be trying to tell her like, bro, you gotta record everything, nigga.
No, that wasn't the reason. I just kind of forgot. But y'all, I ain't gonna lie, yesterday was fun. Like, I had a ball.
At the airport for real.
Well, we don't, when we leave and stuff, we got more stuff to do. But yeah, y'all, it was fun. We had hella drinks. Probably like, with my ear popping.
Well, did you vlog when you was getting your maintenance done? Nope. See?
But to be fair, it was a lot of stuff going on. Like, I had a lot of stuff going on, y'all. So that's that. Like, let's just say that. But right now, I don't know. Huh? We about to get in our Uber. We finna go to this cafe and go to the mall right after. But y'all, we in Miami, turning up another notch. Turning up and me and my boo, we matching.
I mean, her pink a little lighter, but you know, it's chill.
It's so cute. Later on in the video, but yeah, I'm gonna catch up. And yeah.
We was almost late yesterday, bro.
Oh, yeah. Bro, it was like we had a reservation and it was like a 10-minute grace and we got there at 10:35. Then all the backseat seatbelts had to be on. Like, I was just so confused.
I was like, is the car gonna stop?
No, for real. He literally got out the car, came to the back seat, and you know they speak a different language out here, some of them. So it's like we couldn't really understand. But
You know what bro was talking about? He could understand, so he just got out.
Right, he just got
He said seatbelt. We like, bro, seatbelt.
No, he didn't say seatbelt like that.
Seatbelt.
No, he didn't. He said it in his language.
I didn't hear that.
But he definitely said in his language, so we didn't understand, y'all. And that food was so good. He had some lamb chops. His food was probably like I think I recorded the food. I hope I did. If not, I'm gonna have to show the clip from my phone and add it on here. He had like
She had
2 lobsters.
We had 2 lobsters. Nigga, the first one was so good.
The first one was too good, and it wasn't enough, and it was only $70 for half, but it was like 3 bites, y'all. So then we ended up getting a full one. That was like $100. Our bill came up to like $400 for the 2 of us.
But it's like, it's Miami, so it's chill.
Right. And then we kept telling him like to come back. Like, he just was adding stuff on our bill. But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up.
5 drinks or something. I don't remember.
And then we literally went to the, you know what, I'm saying too much, but I'm gonna just pick y'all back up later. So mad. We came to the brunch spot, and I don't know, we made reservations for everything else but this.
Yeah, fat ass wait, so I said 40 minutes.
40 minutes for 2 people.
Too hot, bro.
Then it was a lot of people.
Work.
Yeah, I was just finna record it. It's so many, y'all.
Yeah, I should have brought some racks on. You know what I mean?
Miami though. We in Miami turning up another notch. Exactly. But y'all, we right here, so we right here. We about to see. It's called the Traven. The Traven.
Tavern.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it's better be. This is a big menu. No shade, y'all. They got a lot of stuff. I'm hungry though, so it don't matter. So yeah. I think they waiting, cause look. Like, he got these ugly ass shoes. I hate them.
You got me fucked up.
I hate them.
Ain't nothing wrong with
y'all, and they fast. Yes, like they is fast. So hopefully we hurry up be able to get in. I'm finna sit y'all down though.
I walked to the other spot. It did like 5 minutes so late. And it was hot as fuck.
No, for real.
Now look at her little camera.
You cute. You want to make me mad, bro.
Shawty go,
Body by Raven.
Nah, Subversity other than then she go Body by Raven. Y'all look at her fit.
With some
She keep
Dolce & Gabbana slides.
She keep talking about my Balenciaga slides.
Dolce & Gabbana slides, you know, yeah.
Anyway, she be talking about my Balenciaga slides, bro. That boy,
about the fans, y'all.
Yeah, we is about. Okay. We got the fans, nigga. Okay, good, nigga. Give me a kiss.
Oh, my camera.
You got on a lip gloss? It's okay.
Okay, that's enough. So we don't wipe it all the way.
One more.
Okay.
Yeah, when she got on lip gloss, I can't kiss her, but I don't like that, bro. I don't fuck with your lip gloss.
If y'all be seeing if y'all be seeing my lace, don't say nothing. Is it bad?
Is it bad?
Yeah, my lace. Thank you, you too.
No, let me see. I mean, now that you say something, I ain't seen it the whole time. I mean, I'm just looking for it, so I can see it.
Boy, okay.
I don't think they saw it.
Guys, you don't mind if I move you to the other big table so they don't bug? Okay, right over there. Of course. Oh, there.
Now we ain't got no fans, bro. I don't know if I can do this right here.
Right, that's all.
This shit hot as fuck. I'm mad, bro.
Yeah, it's hot here.
It's hot as fuck.
Where we sitting at, it's not gonna be in the sun, but it's air.
Yeah.
Bro, we keep moving, y'all.
Good thing about them, they charge faster.
Right, but we don't got no charger.
We're going to the mall right after this?
But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Yeah, we inside now. Keep my TikTok.
Her TikTok is Kellyanne.
Like, what? You weird. Eat. You could open it. You could get inside of it.
Hey, all they gotta do is Apple Pay.
Where are we going?
I heard the camera about to die. She's slacking, bro. Oh, you is recording?
Yeah.
Thought you was slacking.
No.
I don't know if I fuck with the outside, inside shit, bro. Cause it's like, it's hot as fuck. And then if it rains, like, do they cold? These niggas must not get no rain. Ain't no way they would have some shit like this.
They get range, it's not a line.
Rains like a storm, ball closed.
Everybody go inside of a store. Let's go to Lululemon. Let's see what they got today. Yeah. Let's see what new colors they have. Ooh, they do got some cute blues. I mean, cute pinks, y'all. We gonna see. This blue is cute. I like that.
Alright, so she said she liked it.
I don't really like this baby pink. I like pink, but I mean, it's like just not.
You don't fuck with that one?
Not all the way. They don't even got the shorts. They got tights. Pretty short.
It's too hot.
They don't have. Oh, they got it number 2. They do got my size. This. They don't have the cropped version. Oh, is this cropped?
Don't pick out no ass shit, man.
I might not even get this.
I feel like you should like keep it in mind when you like shop around.
Yeah.
Come back.
Cause they don't even got the right colors. This is ugly. I hate this color.
Google really not all that.
I mean, this is cute. I like this a lot. I might come back and get this actually, if anything. Yeah, what's wrong with it? No, it's not. That's cute.
I don't like the zippers.
The silver?
Yeah, to tell you the truth, I don't like
I love the silver. It's so perfect. It makes it better.
Nah, it doesn't.
Okay, let's come back. It makes it better. I wish they had garage, bro. Oh, they got me a set from garage. I might wait to go to Atlanta Mall and get garage.
I mean, I've never seen that.
Okay, can we go to Pandora? Yeah, it's right there. Why not?
We're trying to get that.
A ring.
I think we should wait until like tomorrow.
Why tomorrow? Why tomorrow?
I think you should just wait till tomorrow.
Okay, I'm think I might wait till we go to Atlanta and go to garage.
For what?
Garage.
Why?
Because I want to step from garage.
Yeah.
What?
I already got you a set from the garage.
No, you didn't.
Yes, that blue set.
Oh.
Wasn't that garage?
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Okay, that is fair. Okay. Yes, hella people here, y'all. My camera is on 19.
Black people, like regular English speaking black people.
Because they don't be on this side.
Downtown.
Or what about a necklace, bracelet?
Shawty got a Swarovski necklace on. What about a bracelet? Okay, you want a bracelet? You want a bracelet? I can get you a bracelet.
I don't know. I think I want some clothes though.
Yeah, okay. Okay, exactly. But you can wear a bracelet.
I can wear clothes every day.
Nah, you can't wear the same clothes. Oh yeah, look at this shit. That shit fine.
Yeah, I can take a picture on my phone.
God, no, that shit fine. You take a picture of my thumbnail.
Cute. Wipe off my camera. My back camera. We in Miami, turning up another night. When you go take my picture? We probably go take them around the ATV or something.
Your pictures for this?
Yeah.
You can take that whenever. Where you want to take them at?
Is this a cute view right here?
I'm going to take one of this.
Okay. No, I hate it.
Damn, like, nigga, we was outside. Like, it rains, we're going to do rain.
Not really, because I got that.
Ah, bro, this shit got holes in it.
No, it's something. You see, it got holes, but it's like, you see the cage? That's right. They don't got shit, for real, no shit. We could go up on and see. Yeah.
How you want it?
Let's see.
How you want it, but you don't know how much it costs. Like, why you keep talking? They got Rolex. We ain't there yet. Drop that phone now. Got that camera?
Shit.
They gonna be just careful.
I wouldn't care. It's durable.
Your phone?
Oh, yeah. I do need to find some shoes though. For the ATV.
Oh yeah, we want ATV.
It's 4 o'clock too.
What time is it?
It's 4.
I'm saying it.
Did you say 6?
6?
I thought you did. Camera on 13, y'all. I don't know, bro. This shit complicated. I'm not wearing no Skechers, bro. I don't care. I'm not wearing no Skechers. No matter what. Where's somewhere? We could go to H&M.
H&M?
Straight.
Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna pick up the camera. Once we get inside the store, so we can fire some shoes real quick.
Yeah.
Bro, no folks sent us on the wild goose chase.
Mind you, she told us, she said if we there by 6 then it's okay. She did say 5:30, but we said we was gonna be like a little 10 minutes late.
I'll let them know.
And she was just like, okay, yeah, you literally, like, she was like, okay, like, making sure it was fine. It would have been better if she was on the phone with told us and, like, said, like, you know, no, and we would understand that. But no, we got up there, and you could continue.
And the boat left more.
Yeah, the boat left. Mind y'all, come to find out, she never even sent us the picture. He like, oh, so did you get him sent the picture? We like, no.
We didn't know what the boat looked like.
Look
We didn't know
he
the
asking
instructor
all the
name.
questions, and he just looking at us like we just booked through somebody fake. Like, he said we should basically receive some confirmation.
More of the story is, bro,
Don't book.
don't book Don't book them niggas. If you book them on
We is
accident,
finna go on jet ski. They did reschedule it though.
yeah, they rescheduled it for tomorrow. So we gonna do a jet ski, y'all, but it's gonna be tomorrow though.
Yeah, we had all of it due today, but we're just doing ATV today.
Yeah, but so we gonna do ATV today, then we gonna go out and we're gonna eat later. And we gotta go tomorrow. We going to the spa. Yeah, we going to the spa. We going to the beach. And we going out to eat one more time.
And that out to eat, the last place we went to was turned, y'all.
Nah, the place that we went to this morning, ass.
Y'all,
Fucking burgers.
we wasn't supposed to go there. It wasn't. The food wasn't nasty, but the service was horrible. They took too long.
I took 0. Like,
Good,
I really
you
broke
should.
that shit.
No, for real.
You
Y'all,
probably just like,
they first of all they moved us out the out this seat. We already told y'all, I think, but y'all would see it in the vlog. They kept moving us. We didn't get our food till like 30 minutes. We didn't get water till 20 minutes. Like we didn't get our check. Like they had us waiting, y'all, for everything. Literally, nothing was quick. Nothing was quick.
Sarah Robinson would never do that shit again.
Ever. But I'm gonna talk to y'all.
Yeah, hopefully I can record on the ATV. It is a double ride, so if I'm not recording, she gonna record on both cameras and stuff.
Wait. Just one camera's gonna be
Your
down.
shit gon' fall. You gon' fall. Nah, we ain't gon' fall. She ain't gon' fall. But,
Oh no. Oh
my
man.
God, I know this girl. She was ATV and she fell and she had like a mark on her face.
Nah, bro.
Yeah, bro, it was bad. I don't know her number,
But yeah, we gonna catch y'all back on the flip side.
you was good, man.
That's scary.
From the beach shit, comments, bro. But
Yeah, we just woke up. We finna get ourselves together. Nah, the ATV was fine. It was just, we got dirty. Then we went out to eat to Cactus Club.
yeah,
The drinks was good.
I had steak, not potato,
Asparagus and shit.
yeah, lobster steak, not potato steak.
Lobster wasn't better as the other one.
Yeah, especially kids. The first restaurant I went to, they lobster was OD like. But
I don't know if it was they drinks or what, but they food was good as fuck.
yeah, but nigga, they just woke up. Then
So we're finna go to the spot today, and we're gonna do jet ski, and we're doing jet ski, and
you know, go to the beach.
no, jet ski and boat ride. Then we're going to the beach, and we might do the.
I had a dream.
About what?
I'm gonna tell you later. Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach, y'all. So we haven't been to the beach this whole time we've been out here, bro. So maybe gotta go to the beach.
We're gonna try to do everything we can today. We're going out to eat later on, but after the beach, I do want to do something. Maybe like the ice cream museum or something. I don't know. I just want to do something else. Like it's Miami. I need to do every activity we can. We need to do every activity we can. So he just got done brushing his teeth because he couldn't wait for the queen. Brush mine. I gotta cut this crap off. Hold on, y'all. So this crap hurts. Okay, y'all. I got this travel size dish to wash my face with, a gentle cleanser. So, I'm gonna use that. Y'all don't mind this, bro. This tech is itching the fuck out of me. Put some of this on your head. Put your hand a little bit. And it's not a foam. I fucked up not getting a foam one. I feel like the foam one put your face in. I don't know. But okay, now this is where I wash my face with hot water. And this water gets so fucking hot. Like, I don't know what the fuck they be doing to their water, but their water is hot as fuck. Like, should be crazy. Okay. So we done with that, y'all. Take this bonnet on. Fix my scarf. I'm gonna keep my scarf on when I'm down there for the spa. I mean, we gotta get close on each other. I do. You got to give me, okay, then you record.
Like, it's shit easy, bro. You just gotta, like, look.
What's up in there?
It's on one of them.
Go pick it back up later. Y'all, don't mind my lace, bro. It's hot in Florida, bro. It's hot as fuck, so don't talk about it. And it's deep wave, so it's okay.